Pay close attention, my friends. Take notice of everything, okay? Now you see it, and now you don't. Make your comments in the section below. What did you see, and what don't you see? Ciao, my friends. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have something very special, many things very special to unpackage. They didn't come in a box, as like I always say, they came in packages. So let's get right to it because I have some really pretty things. I think they are pretty, and I will link them always in my link tree. And these came from Temu. So when you see the picture, if you're interested, you can always click on the little picture of the item and it will take you right into that seller's page. So this here is a chain that has a mixture of black and gold. Wow, my friends, that's so pretty. This would look very, very pretty on a white blouse or even a dark black. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, I like that. That is a nice one. And another one, it's a great place to buy your like jewelry. It's not real or anything, but costume jewelry that is very, very affordable. And you can make a beautiful look like this one here, and this one. It's a big, chunky silver chain. Oh, that is very nice. I like this style of chain. It's a little flatter and super sparkly. Shelly's all over this jewelry fit, so I do like it. This one is really pretty. I have a pair of a set, I guess you call it a set of pearls that were given to me by a lady that I used to take care of when I was younger, and she gave me her pearls, and I love them. But I think after a while the pearl sort of looks a little, I don't know how you do this, but tarnished, or they turned from white to yellow. Is that normal for pearls? If you have real pearls, do they change color? But anyway, these here are not real pearls, but it's just a short little like choker pearls. And the reason why I wanted these is because I saw a video on TikTok, and the lady used the pearls with a scarf, and she put the scarf in the center. So she made half of her necklace of pearls and the other half covered by a scarf. And that was such a really cool concept for me. I thought I'm going to try that too. So that's the reason why I got the pearls. And this one, I love it. I love it. Shows a little bit of the wild side in me. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, my friends, out of them all, this is my favorite. Look at that. I don't know if you can really see, but it has like the face, and it's even covered with little diamonds in it. It's so sparkly. Okay. Yeah, that is beautiful. It's actually quite heavy too. It's not a really light, cheap quality, although the price of it is very affordable. But for this piece and buying it off of Temu, it has a good weight to it. That's what I'm trying to say. It has a good weight to it, and it's very beautiful. I'm shocked that it's in that kind of a good quality. So this is another one that I got, and this one is also very pretty. It has a little toggle on it, so when you put it on, you put the toggle through the bottom part. But one side of this is like a little coin, and one side of this has like a flower. Maybe more, it reminds me more of a daisy, but I'm not up on my flowers, but that looks very pretty. And it's silver on in the center with the gold trim on it, but the little center of the flower is also gold. And then on the back has this. It reminds me of, I don't know, what are those called in the sea? Like a dollar in the sea, they're called dollars. I think it's called dollar. Anyway, like starfish, in other words, but it's called $1. That's what this part reminds me of because it has little diamonds in it. So pretty, but this side is the one I really love. And then you put the toggle on down here. It gives a nice edgy detail with it fastened that way. Ooh. Yes, I'm so happy. I got some really pretty things. And then this one is the last one. I believe it's a ring. Yeah, it's a ring. There. Oh, this is very nice too. I have this silver lion ring, or tiger ring actually. It's called a tiger ring. And I had this in silver. It's not full in the back, so it's one that you can self-adjust it, you know, move it to the size of your finger, so it's like one size fits all. And I like this and I wear it a lot. I just got it recently from Temu, but then I saw that they had gold ones here, a gold one, and I was all over this gold one, and I was in super big hurry to get the gold one because I had it in my shopping basket for a long time. And then I saw, oh no, they sold out of them. So if you're really looking for them, the links don't stay available, the product doesn't stay available on that link for very long. And then when I seen it being sold on another website, on another seller's page in there, then I got my hubby super quickly to order this ring. I'm like, yes, I'm in a need for that. So this is the tiger ring that I got. And that's all that I have to share with you today. But my friends, I hope that you enjoyed all of that. And I will be back again tomorrow. So I'll see you all again soon. Tomorrow to be exact. Mwah. Ciao everyone. Have a great day. Bye.